So hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Codeforces round 849, division 4, C problem, Prepend and Append. So let's quickly jump to the problem statement. So the problem is saying Tamur initially had a binary string S, possibly of length 0. He performed the following operation several number of times, possibly 0. Add 0 to one end of the string and 1 to the other end. For example, starting from the string 0 1 comma 1 0 1 1, you can obtain either this string or this. Like there is a simple concept I am telling you. Like this question is like you are given a string, so he can add 1 or 0 like here, or he can add 0 or 1 like this kind. So this parity of this bit will be different. So either both will be the opposite. Like if one side starting side will be the 0, then ending side will be the 1, or if ending starting side will be the 1, ending side must be 0. So in this fashion he is like adding in this part and this part. So let's read the further part of the problem. So we are given an input integer t, the number of test cases which is 1000, and the length of the string which is of n equal to 2000. So I think you can see the first observation which is coming, that the constraint is very less, so we can do what we want. Like we can use simply brute force, but we will go with some good concept. So what we have to output, like you are given a final string, you what is the length of the shortest possible string he could have started with. So you have to tell what is the shortest string, the initial string that Tamur has started, and after different operations he reached the final string. So you are given a final string and you have to tell the initial string. So let me discuss you. Sorry. Like you are given a string t which is made from a string s. So we have done different kind of operations on s, and after that this t has been made. We are given this t, we have to find this s. Okay. And how, what kind of operations are there? We can either add 1 from start and 0 at the last, or we can add 0 from the start and add 1 at the last. Okay. So I think we should go with example. So I think the best example will be, take this example. So what the approach will be, this in this problem will be, we will use two pointer concept. We will put a pointer at the start and at the end, and if these both do not matches, it means that these are the side operations. Like this, I have used a string, we can may add 0 and 1 in this pattern, but we can't make the string like this 1 on or 0 0. So this is our logic. I will make the solution, I will build a solution in this manner. So suppose we are having a string 0 1 1 1. What we will going to check, we have put a pointer here, and we will check whether these two parts are different or not. Either if both are 0, both are like of different parity 0 and 1, we will increase our pointer to here. Once we get the number with the same, like 1 1 or 0 0, we will stop, because after that we don't need, that's our original string, because we can't add 1 1 or 0 0 on the different sides of the string. So we are doing one more example, 0 0 1 1 1. Then after we will having 0 1, and make one more example. Yes. So for here, if here we are according to our logic, so both are different, so we will move. Then we will come here, and from here both are different, we will move. Then we will come here and here. Here we see both are 0. What we will get, like, so this will be our original string. This is the string s from where we started. So this will be our answer. Now come to the coding part. How we will code this solution? I think logic will be clear. Like you have to from start and ending you have to see whether two numbers are same. If they, then break the, and our what will be the size will of the original string. It will be, if I am using for loop for I from 0 to n, then it will be n into 2i. That will be our solution. So let's jump to the solution part. So according to the test cases, we have took integer t and test cases. Then after we have took an string, and according to the input, we have made an answer, and then we are checking from, like, if our string is in such fashion, if our string is this like, and we are checking from both the end. So our loop will be run from where? From half of the string. If we check the half of the string, and similarly, if our final length is n, and we are having I equal to, from here I equal to 0, then what we will do? N minus I minus 1. Is it clear? If want, then you can pause the video and think about that. Then if we see s of I double equal to s of, if we are getting this kind of string, s of I equal to s of n minus y, if you like from both side of the string, if any character is similar, we will make the answer equal to n minus 2 into I, because why we were doing 2, because we are subtracting from both the ends. So n minus 2 into I, and we will break the solution. So one more thing is, if our answer equals to 0, or our answer is even odd. So if the size of the string is odd, and answer is 0. Let me give you a clear example. So like, if the any odd, and answer we are getting 0. So like we will go with, like, 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. No, here 0. So like we have checked different. We don't say if n equal to odd, then we won't say this factor. So at the end there must be a one, must be a character which from where a string is started. A string doesn't start from 0, no. For odd there must be a one character at the between. If our answer equals to 0, then there must be a character between there. So if answer double equals to 0 and our string length is 1, the string length is odd, then we will print 1, otherwise we will print our answer. So I think the problem is clear solution. If you feel any doubt, you can reach in the comment section, or if you are a member of DCC NIT, you can reach in the WhatsApp group according to that. Thank you.